देसी करता ओ बल्ली बुरे वाले दिल का पूरा देसी एक बात पहचान बताते पर तेरी कहीं सुनाते फिटनेस का तो तोड़ कोई ना टेढ़ में की रेस लगाते इतनी लेरा इतनी भाई जैसे जैकी चैन दिखता इतना तू पानी ना पीती जितना सहयोगी पी जाता है चीज का सोल्यूशन है तू बड़ा जुगाड़ी है जंगल का शेर खान भी इसका पक्का यारी है जेट प्लेन से तेज बैलों की फ्लाइंग किक है फाइटिंग वाली यारों ताऊ ले रहा ट्रिक है जाता हर चीज का सोल्यूशन है तू बड़ा जुगाड़ी है जंगल का शेर खान भी इसका पक्का यारी है वो चर्चा दुनिया में इसके यारों बैंड बम्पर है खून में गर्मी पूरी जून या दिसंबर है इसमें जो चेज करता यारों को अनाड़ी है ताऊ हमारा भाई खतरों का खिलाड़ी है वो चर्चा दुनिया में इसके यारों बैंड बम्पर है खून में गर्मी पूरी जून या दिसंबर है इसमें जो चेज करता यारों को अनाड़ी है ताऊ हमारा भाई खतरों का खिलाड़ी है
Shilpa, before we say anything, can we please make some noise for this body and this gorgeous woman? Really make that noise. Look at this woman looking stunning. अब आप स्पेशली यहाँ पे आई हैं क्योंकि जब मिलन कुंफू और योगा का हो और योगा का जिक्र हो और आप ना हो ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता लेकिन what is that special connect that you have with Jackie Chan? I want to know.
A very good evening to everyone here. So I'm not here as Shilpa Shetty, the actor, or a yoga enthusiast. I'm purely here as an ardent, crazy fan of Jackie Chan. Guys, he truly, I think, I can say very safely, is legendary, the biggest action star the world has ever seen. And I can say that very safely because he has had a career span of 56 years. 56 years of doing action, guys. That definitely calls for a round of applause.
Yeah.
So,
आप कभी उनके stunts को देख के घर पे try करती थी? Just curious.
आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे मैंने कराटे इसीलिए किया क्योंकि मैं जैकी चैन की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन थी और मैं फिल्में जब उनकी देखती थी तो मैं आउटटेक्स का इंतज़ार करती थी. I used to wait to see the outtakes and I didn't realize that those outtakes were the reason that I realized that if you want to be a legend and if you want to be successful, you have to put in all the work and all the hard work that you can because that is what this legendary actor does. You see his outtakes and you realize that the most difficult stunts he made look easy because he put his heart into it. So, I'd like to welcome all the way from Beijing to Bollywood, the legendary, the biggest action star that we have ever seen. We're going to see him live, Jackie Chan, and our very own, all the way from Punjab, Moga, to Kung Fu Yoga, the fittest and the sweetest Sonu Sood.
वो चर्चे दुनिया में इसके यारों ब्रांड बम्पर है खून में गर्मी पूरी जून या दिसंबर है इसको जो चेज करता यारों वो अनाड़ी है ताऊ हमारा भाई खतरों का खिलाड़ी है.
Thank you for the introduction.
I can't believe this legendary moment for all of us to have you here, sir. What a pleasure.
Come on, guys.
in
India,
India-
show him some love. Jackie Chan.
Namaste. Sir, I'm going to ask you a question. You've been entertaining us since, wow, look at that power. I think you need a clap for the man. He is stunningly 63 and still raring to go. Sir, since you were 5, you've been acting in movies, but your parents called you Pow Pow.
Yes.
Why was that?
Because I wasn't born like a 12 half pound. It's like a cannon. A Mandarin cannon is called Pow Pow. So this is why my nickname is called Pow Pow.
And then you got this whole thing called Jackie Chan. You've done so much in your life. Do you recommend everybody sitting here to do much more? Because you did 10 things and then you got to your aim in life.
I believe all of you, I think, all watch my movie growing up, right? When your father take you see my movie, this day you should take your parents go to theater see my movie.
Woo!
And really, I know Indian people love me. I love India. You know, I come here for the film festival. I come here for the charity. I come here for making a movie. That's the second movie I make in India because I love you. Really, thank you.
I've heard that Sonu Sood insisted that you dance. We know you're a fantastic singer, but how difficult is it to dance on a Hindi song? You've got to tell us.
For me, the beginning is difficult because they like this guy. The most difficult part is that I cannot move my head. Can you move? Yes. Can you move? See? I said, in Indian, everybody knows, but me, I don't know how. That's the most difficult part. And later on, I tell the teacher, can you choreograph more easy one, just like before, like change libo, kai, and hit the ground. Because I believe there are so many people learn from me. I was right. After the song go to the internet, now the whole China, all the old lady, and becoming exercise dance.
Yes.
Yeah, we have convocation with India. Zumba. Well.
So many forms.
Yes.
And how do you rate Mr. Sonu Sood with action?
Tough. Because we learn martial art, after that we learn movie. In the movie we like a pa 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 pa, even the heat like this. See? When he pa boom, I said, slow down. No, when he fights, I said no. Then I have to all my training people teach me training how to stop. You know, and you look strong but doesn't hurt. When you doesn't look strong, we both get hurt again. I said, oh, you wonder what you want to show? You want to show off? But he learns so quick. 1 week later, then he know the rhythm. He know the timing. Yeah.
You know, I would like to say, to add to Jackie said, the day I landed in China, and you know, the whole JC stunt team, which is the best in the world, every day they used to wake me about 5:30 in the morning, train me for 4-5 hours, and Jackie sir were always there to monitor it, that everything was going fine. You know, I've done films in all the languages, but I think, you know, of all the hard work or little whatever I've achieved in my life, I think this was my, you know, final moment when I got a film with Jackie sir, and you know, now Kung Fu Yoga is all set to release. So I think I've done my bit. I've done something good in life to be with him.
Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai. Do you think you know that? You know what that means?
No.
It means Indian and Chinese are brothers.
Yes.
So can you repeat after me? Hindi Chini.
चीन से अमेरिका तक ताऊ ही बवाल है बिजली से भी तेज ये इंपोर्ट वाला माल है थोड़े रंग का चादरा भाई ऊपर गाड़ी कैसी करता स्टंप हॉलीवुड वाले दिल का पूरा देसी एक बात पे चार बता दे मुंह पे तेरी गणी सुना दे फिटनेस का तो तोड़ कोई ना 1.5 मील की रेस लगा दे कुत्ती ले रहा इतनी भाई जैसे जैकी चैन दिखाता इतना तू पानी ना पीती जितना सहयोगी पी जाता हर चीज का सॉल्यूशन है ताऊ बड़ा जुगाड़ी है जंगल बुक का शेर खान भी इसका पक्का यारी है
Thank you for being so lovely. Thank you PVR Cinemas. Thank you Bright Outdoor Advertisers, and thank you Jackie sir for being so gracious, so loving, so warm, so happy. Look at those happy feet. He sure can dance. With that, we take a bow, and I want to thank Bright Outdoor. Yogesh Lakhani ji, agar aap yahan pe hain, jaldi aa jaएं. Quick picture के लिए इससे पहले. योगेश सर, आप अपना फोटो लीजिए, उसके बाद सबका फोटो चाहेंगे मीडिया वाले. May I please call upon stage Mr. Lawrence Paul, please?
चीन से अमेरिका तक ताऊ ही बवाल है बिजली से भी तेज ये इंपोर्ट वाला माल है थोड़े
Abby and Ajay also and Shailesh bhai, please come. I think these people really help us do this. Please come. This final picture.
चार बता दे मुझ पर तेरी गणेश सुना दे फिटनेस का तो तोड़ कोई ना 1.5 मील की रेस लगा दे कुर्ती ले रहा इतनी भाई जैसे जैकी चैन दिखाता इतना तू पानी ना पीती जितना सहयोगी पी जाता हर चीज का सॉल्यूशन है ताऊ बड़ा जुगाड़ी है जंगल बुक का शेर खान भी इसका पक्का
Just quick check from Z. Anurag bhai and Kirti bhai is there.
फाइटिंग वाले यार
They're up. Okay.
ले रहा हर ट्रिक हमने देसी कुश्ती तो इसने हमको कुनफू सिखाई वर्ल्ड फेमस जोड़ी ये यारो है रब ने बनाई हिंदी चीनी भाई मैं हिंदी चीनी भाई मैं हिंदी चीनी भाई
Thank you all for being here and being so patient. That was really, really sweet of all of you to be here and wait patiently. Thank you!
वो चर्चे दुनिया में इसके यारों ग्रैंड बम्पर है
Next week will be Chinese New Year. Health, happy. I wish the world peace. Love you all. Thank you for supporting me all those years. Thank you so much.
देगा ये पंप दे देगा मैं जो ताऊ फ्लोर पे चढ़ गया गूज पंप दे देगा